Here we have to find the correct option where mechanical energy might not be conserved. So for conservation of mechanical energy, change in kinetic energy plus change in potential energy must be equal to 0. So we shall see which of the options satisfy these conditions. First option, car moves along level ground and at a constant velocity. So velocity is constant, so change in kinetic energy will be 0 plus potential energy is constant because it is on level ground, so the change in gravitational potential energy will also be 0, so their sum will be 0. So the mechanical energy is conserved. Now for the second option,